Hello everyone. Hi, welcome to Filmy Ball live with today's celebrity Payal Ghosh. So, hello ఉన్నారు అందరూ. Let's wait for Payal Ghosh garu to join the live. Hi, Payal Ghosh garu. How
Hi,
are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Yeah, I'm good. Thank you. How's your Sunday going?
Yeah, what nowadays it's like every Sunday is like Monday, Monday is like so it's
So
going
there
like
is no Monday fear also.
yeah.
So, ఎలా ఉన్నారు? ఏం నడుస్తుంది?
I'm good. I'm very good. How are you?
Yeah, good. Thank you. మీ క్వారంటైన్ ఎలా ఉంది? ఎలా ఉండే? How was your quarantine?
Quarantine cannot be good, you know. Like how could it be good? You were locked at home.
Yeah.
But it's like fine.
So taking care, like self-care and spending time with family అవన్నీ ఉంటాయి కదా ఇంకా.
Yeah, yeah. Doing that, and now like I didn't know how to cook also, and now I have learned cooking also. I became a chef, so
Oh,
this
so
is what
learning
I have
new
learned
habits.
during this called lockdown.
Yeah. Actually. So ఎలా అయింది ఈరోజు సండే మీకు? లేజీ, ప్రొడక్టివ్, షూటింగ్స్ అన్ని స్టార్ట్ అయ్యాయి కదా మళ్ళీ బిజీ.
Waiting for the shoot to start. It's been long and at home, not working. Now it's enough. It's feeling like the shoot should start immediately.
సో వెయిటింగ్ అన్నమాట ఇప్పుడు బయటికి
Yeah.
వెళ్ళిపోవాలి అని చెప్పి. సో అప్కమింగ్ ప్రాజెక్ట్స్ ఏంటి? ఏం చేస్తున్నారు ఇప్పుడు?
I'm doing two Hindi movies, Jai Mata Di and another movie which I cannot tell right now because producer has not to discuss, and then doing two South movies as well.
Oh, nice. Good to hear. Yeah. So how this happened? Movies ki రావడం.
Um, See, when I was in college, in 12th standard, then that time I wanted to be in film. So I came in and joined Amit Feature Acting School in Bombay. From
Okay.
there only, I got my first film, Pranam, and BBC
Yeah.
Telefeature film, Sharp Sparrow. From there it started, and then I started working.
Nice. So మీ ప్రయాణం మూవీ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ ఎలా ఉండే? ఇట్ ఇస్ అ డిఫరెంట్ మూవీ కదా, లైక్ షూట్ ఇన్ ద ఎయిర్పోర్ట్, లెంత్ ఫుల్ లెంత్ మూవీ అక్కడ. సో హౌ వాజ్
Yeah.
ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ వర్కింగ్ విత్ మనోజ్ గారు?
Amazing. Manoj is a very nice guy, very jovial, very cooperative, very sweet boy. Being like first time when I was like
Yeah.
for my first film of my life, that time when I met Manoj, such kind of actor who is so helpful. So you know, it's all means you know you're blessed that you got such a nice guy who is acting opposite you, and he's been so nice. And at that time, I didn't know. Even today, I can understand the language, but I don't know the language. And that time, it was Hebrew for me. But the way he helped me out is something I'm really thankful to him for that.
సో యాజ్ ఎ పర్సన్ ఎలా సపోర్ట్ చేశారు మీకు ఫస్ట్ మూవీలో?
Very. He supported me like anything.
నైస్.
Very sweet boy. Very sweet boy.
నైస్. సో ప్రయాణం మూవీ షూటింగ్ అప్పుడు మీరు చేసిన లైక్ సంథింగ్ ఫన్ క్రేజీ స్టఫ్,
Yeah.
న్యూ హీరోయిన్ అనగానే విల్ బి లైక్ ప్రాంక్స్, అలా ఏమైనా జరిగాయా?
People, first of all, like we know, like what, like when we started shooting for the airport portion, which is the main portion of the film,
Yeah.
we used to feel like me, Manoj, everybody, we used to feel like we are going to school. The
Okay.
same clothes. It was like uniform for us for 40 days, and wearing the same clothes, going to the same location. It was
Yeah.
like, oh my god, it's a feeling that school feeling was coming that day. And yes, but it was very fun, like because our whole group was very good. The director was very sweet, and even my co-stars and all. So everything was nice. So it was going well, and I was enjoying. And the most happiness was that I'm gonna to get feature on 72 mm. So it was a different feeling altogether.
You were not nervous at all. First movie ani atla em లేదు. Everybody were friendly.
No, I was very excited. It was not a nervous, you know, like because I somehow don't know. I'm very much passionate about films. So when I do film, no, I get into that. I feel like I'm that character. I leave those character at those moments when I shoot. So it was like I was very happy and enthusiastic, and I was like jumping and like, okay, I'm doing a feature film, something which was making me very happy. Okay, because of the language barrier, because of the language was very different, and which I didn't know the
Yeah.
language. That was something which was making me little nervous, of course, yes. But as I told you, my assistant directors and all were so good, and the way they have helped me, even Manoj himself, so I got through it. And I'm very good at mugging up dialogues. I can, literally read the dialogues. I can learn them by heart and say it.
Wow.
Done that. Most of my dialogues I have said nicely only. Means I have mugged them up nicely and have said.
So you didn't have any problem with dialogues and all.
No. Means initially first 1-2 days, yeah, but after that I was doing well.
Cool. Nice. So how did Usiravelli happen?
Musaravalli also, like I met Surendra Reddy Garu, and then from there only he liked me. Then I think the day I met him, that day only we signed the film and we started. He already had seen Prayanam, so
Mm-hmm.
so nothing like audition or nothing like that. Then I have been casted.
Yeah. So my experience around a junior NTR Garto and Tamanna Garto.
Amazing. He's amazing person. Like I'm really, I can say like he's so amazing and he is so down to earth, very humble. So it was like you can literally see a superstar standing in front of you, and still he's so humble and down to earth. That is something I'll never forget ever in my life.
Okay. So on screen NTR Garu గురించి మాకు తెలుసు. So off screen ఎలా ఉండేవాళ్ళు? Shooting up.
Austin was is a very sweet person, very sweet, very down to earth. We all used to sit together, no tantrums, no drama, nothing. It's so cool, chill, and we have shot so many days abroad. So everything we used to sit together, eat together. Everybody means when there was place, like there was no shoot, and in between the shoot, that time we used to sit on the footpath. So everybody was like chill and cool, and he's very very chill and cool and very sweet. So like these are the things when you are new to the industry and you are seeing the stars, superstars, and when you see that how humble they are, that is what you learn in your life, that no matter how big you become in your life, you can always be humble and sweet and good.
Yeah. So few words about Tamanna.
Yeah, and Tamanna was she's a very sweet girl. We had a great time, and she's a very good friend of mine.
So nice, fun shootings appudu.
Yeah, we had a gala night.
Nice. So yeah, we heard that movies kosam you ran from your house and you started your career. So how is that? Like, how did that happen?
My family never wanted me to be into films, and I know that if I be in films, so like the thing will be means I cannot do that sitting in Kolkata. So I had to run away from home and come to Bombay. My Didi used to stay, my cousin used to stay here. So I came and stayed with her, and that's how I joined Kishore Namitsa, and from there I started my journey.
Nice, inspiring.
Yes.
So how did you get a chance in Bollywood? Bollywood journey ela start ayindi?
Yeah, so one film I have done that's called Freedom, directed by director Vivek Abhinayatre. And I went to meet him, and the very first day I met him, he said like, "Okay, you are there in my movie." And the very first day, no, he didn't show any like, "We'll let you know, we'll take audition, look this and that." No. First day only he said that you are in my film. And also Patel Ki Punjabi Shadi happened in like the producer of Patel Ki Punjabi Shadi, they released Osaravalli in Gujarat.
Okay. Oh.
There they saw me, and then the producer said to the director, "Okay, I've seen that girl, and she's very cute." What they have said, their version I'm talking about. I don't know what I am, but what they said, like she's very like that innocent girl, very very innocent face. So why don't you take her audition? Then the assistant director of that film called me, and I went and gave look this audition and all. And then they finalized me. So Patel Ki Punjabi Shadi happened like that, yeah.
Okay, so like that your journey in Bollywood started.
Yes.
So when can we expect your next comeback to Telugu?
Soon, very soon. I'm looking forward.
Very soon. ఒకవేళ ఛాన్స్ హీరోని సెలెక్ట్ చేసే ఛాన్స్ ఇస్తే, if they give a chance for you to select a hero, whom would you select and why?
if I have to give chance to somebody,
No, yeah, your co-star, hero. You have to select
I,
your co-star.
I have to work with everybody. With everyone, like all they're so fantabulous, so fabulous. All the actors, all the heroes of Telugu film industry, they're so amazing, and they are all like if you take each one, like Junior NTR, Mahesh Babu, um, Allu Arjun, they're all good in their own way, and they're fabulous, fantabulous. They're acting, the way they dance, everything is so different. And you know, like even people here in my yoga teacher, my trainer, they will be watching South movies and say we like South movies, and we like the dubbed, means they dub it in Hindi, right? So
Yeah,
they
yeah.
love watching those films on TV, and they should be prefer watching South movies than watching Hindi movies. Those are more entertaining. So that's how it's actually, even collecting viewers from North India as well. People are really loving South Indian movies nowadays.
Nice. Good to hear. So, me Tollywood crush ever meer undi actors lo.
Crush is okay. Tollywood crush, not such crush. See, okay, I know Junior NTR because I've worked with him, and he's a very nice person. I
Yeah.
really admire him a lot.
Yeah,
But I
yeah.
like Mahesh Babu also a lot. He's a very good looking guy. So yes, so that's how. And also, means whatever say, they're so good. All of them, I cannot talk about any one person.
True. Yeah. So, my favorite actor Bollywood lo.
My all-time favorite actor is Shah Rukh Khan.
Shah Rukh
And
Khan.
yes, from my childhood.
Nice. So, మీరు Tollywood, Bollywood చేశారు కదా. What is the difference you actually found both?
Um, South is more professional, more hardworking, more punctual. Bollywood is not that much, but there is another fun in working in Bollywood is like that's our language. We talk in Hindi, and so that's the kind of fun that we have. But our means in Bollywood there is no time limit. Like in South, what we do, we generally start from 8 o'clock in the morning. We continue and we finish by 6 o'clock. We are done. We are home. If we have evening shoot, then we start from 1 o'clock. Then we wind up by 9, 10 o'clock. But in Bollywood, we start at 11 and we don't know if it is going to go for the next day or not. There is no government, there is no given time and nothing, like little, because the films I have worked. I'm not talking about every, because I have only worked in 2 films. I don't know much about that. But generally, when people, even Amitabh Bachchan sir, he also said like, you must learn from South how punctual they are. So that is there. I must say that is there. Even I have seen, like if we have to shoot at 9 o'clock, say, I have seen Junior NTR Karu coming right at 9 o'clock in the morning. So that is very difficult in Bollywood. No such other than Amitabh sir.
Okay. So let's see a few viewers' questions.
Yes.
So Abhijit is asking, how do you feel being a celebrity?
I feel great, and what I am means I feel more great that so many people love me so much, and because of my fans, I means they make me feel so happy and so important. So that gives me lots of pleasure. So I feel very happy and blessed to be loved by you all.
Thank you. And one sentence about NTR.
He's amazing, superb.
Okay, next. They're asking, okay, please ask Payal to sing a song from SRK film.
Oh. Okay. Can I sing this?
Yeah.
ओ मेरा दिल था अकेला, तूने खेल ऐसा खेला, तेरी यादों में जादू रात भर, बाजीगर ओ बाजीगर, तू है बड़ा जादूगर. Okay, done.
Cool. It was really nice. So,
Thank
ఇంకొన్ని
you.
questions చూద్దాము. So, it's so somebody asking your beauty secret.
I drink lots of water. I eat lots of fruits, vegetables, less oil. I love red wine. I love dark chocolate.
Okay, and just everybody note that point, huh? And one word about Prabhas.
Bahubali. He's the He-Man of our generation.
Yes. And they're asking your next movie.
Next movie being Jai Matari, like they won't be knowing because it's Hindi movie and Telugu. I'll soon let you know, guys.
Suspense coming soon.
Yes, it's
And
gonna be a surprise.
who is your inspiration? Kamosh is asking, who is your inspiration?
My inspiration is Shah Rukh Khan, Madhuri Dixit.
Okay. Even for dance?
Dance, Madhuri Dixit is amazing. She is amazing.
Nice. Okay. So, do you ever feel that being celebrity, you lose your personal life and privacy?
Sometimes I feel, but I love my fans so much. So this kind of, like everybody wants to be us. So
Yeah.
it's a very, very famous line from a film called Devil's Wear Prada, where Meryl Streep is saying that everybody wants to be us, and I love that line. So like when you're there, then you should respect that thing that you're getting so much love.
Yeah.
People crave for that love. If you don't get that love, if you don't get that kind of importance, then we won't feel good. We'll feel depressed. So I take it in a very positive way. I feel that okay, still I'm working and I'm into films. My life is dedicated to my fans and followers and audience. So
Yeah.
I'm blessed when I am loved by them. That is more important. If I don't love or if I don't want private life right now. My life is dedicated to them. So I enjoy that.
Dedication. Okay, next. Hello. They're all saying hello, a big hello and hi.
Love.
Fave movie in Telugu.
Favorite movie?
Favorite movie in Telugu.
I have so many favorite movies. I've recently seen that Allu Arjun movie.
Ala Vaikuntapuram.
Ala Vaikuntapuram.
Yeah.
Difficult to pronounce. Oh, I love that movie like anything, and the climax. Oh my God, how they get such kind of concept here? Oh my God, the climax! I was going mad watching the climax. What the climax they made! Oh my God, I was like so excited. I said, how could they make this here? And the way he has done and the acting is done, superb.
Yeah, it was like really cool climax.
Oh, superb. Amazing, awesome. I have no limited words. There are so many words can be used to describe the climax.
Yeah. Okay. So, and okay, we'll move to a quick rapid fire round.
Okay.
So, the strangest rumor you ever heard about yourself?
Strangest thing. Okay, that I get angry very fast.
You get?
Angry very fast.
Oh, that is the strangest rumor you ever heard.
Yeah, rumor you are talking about, right?
Yeah.
They say like, which I'm not. I'm very cool.
Yeah. Okay, so you're super cool.
Super.
So, handsome actor in Tollywood.
It's a very, very tricky question. It's very difficult to say. Okay, so handsome, I'll say Mahesh Babu.
Mahesh Babu. And who would you put on the cover of the following magazines? Playboy.
Allu Arjun.
Rock and roll.
Rock and roll. Rock and roll will be Prabhash.
Playgirl.
What?
Playgirl.
Sorry, can't get you.
Playgirl for actress.
Playgirl.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. That will be again Allu Arjun.
Again, Allu Arjun. Chocolate boy.
What?
Chocolate boy.
Chocolate boy. Chocolate boy is okay. Nani.
Nani. Mass.
Junior.
Junior NTR. And okay, what would be the autobiography of the following people? If it's Junior NTR.
Whatever. Sorry. What is your question?
Autobiography title. If it is Junior NTR.
Huh. So
What would you keep?
Acha, the name.
Yeah.
I will keep it the legend of the legends.
Legend of the legends. Pawan Kalyan garu.
The superhero.
Superhero. Ram Charan.
The most stunning and handsome of our era.
Venkatesh garu.
Venkatesh Garu, like I'll say Venki the Great.
Venki the Great. Ajit.
Ajit.
Yeah.
Ajit sir.
Yeah, Ajit garu.
Ajit sir will say that it could be the Indian Richard Gere.
Oh. Mahesh Babu.
Actually, I should say the chocolate hero of Mahesh Babu would be more appropriate saying chocolate hero. Yeah.
Okay, chocolate. Next chocolate boy.
The most chocolatey.
Yeah.
The most chocolatey.
Yeah, and Allu Arjun.
The most stylish.
Most stylish. Okay, then what would you like to tell the people who like your fashion sense?
I'll say like, see, you like me because I don't follow any trend. I have my own thing. I wear whatever I feel like that I can mix and match and can wear. I feel I wear those things which I feel comfortable. I have seen that I've tried many dresses where I was not comfortable. I could not carry myself well. But where I was wearing a very simple dress. That those dresses might be very gorgeous, but because of I wasn't feeling very comfortable. I could not carry it well. But when I wear with things that makes me comfortable, I carry them maybe less gorgeous or maybe not more simple than those dresses. But when I carry it with my confidence, with my comfortness, that look much more beautiful than anything. So comfortness and confidence, both things are important when you wear a dress. That's what you show it to the world, and that's how you present yourself to the world.
Yeah, very great point. Yeah, comfort comes first. Cool. And if you woke up in the morning as the following people, what would you do? Tamanna.
We'll talk about beauty, hair, what shall we do? Which shampoo we should use?
And Aishwarya Rai.
I'll say how you're so beautiful. Like, okay, I want to have the kind of eyes you have. So what is the secret beyond your such beautiful eyes?
Alia Bhatt.
Alia, I'll say like how you are so sweet all the time.
And Deepika Padukone.
Deepika, I'll say, okay. So I'll say, okay, tell me how you have managed to change the accent from South Indian to proper Hindi India. I'll definitely take that from her.
Nice. We'll look at a few questions again from the viewers. So they're asking favorite Tollywood hero again, and exercise and diet routine in lockdown.
Exercise?
And diet routine in lockdown.
I do Surya Namaskar. I walk for 8, 9, 10 kilometers, depends on my mood. So I
Oh,
go for a walk. Yeah, every day I walk like for 8, 9 kilometers, and I make sure I do that. Or else I do, if it is rainy or something, then I make sure I'll do Surya Namaskar. I can do 70 to 80 Surya Namaskar at a go.
wow,
So I
that's
do that.
great.
Yeah.
Great. So no gymming?
Gym to now is closed. No, though I have seen, I have my dumbbells and everything, but I don't.
Okay.
Yeah, I am very scared of using them because without trainer, I feel like if I get hurt or something, then
Yeah, yeah.
that will make me sit on the couch for longer days. So that's why I don't use by myself. So I prefer to do training with trainer.
Okay, and next. Mm-hmm. Love from Kolkata.
Thank you.
Do you have any pet? They're asking. Silent Killer is asking. Do you have any pet?
I do have, but not here in Kolkata. And his name is Bouncer, and I love him so much. Every day I make sure I get up and I do a video call to him and I talk to him. He's so amazing, so cutie pie. I can't even tell you.
You're
Uh,
missing him now.
oh, I miss him so much. But I need to see his face, his cutie pie face, and he will show all the tantrums to me over phone and all this. I'll take that. I'll be happy, and then I start my day.
Oh, that's so cute. It gives all positive vibes. Abhijit is asking, what do you like in Hyderabad? Climate or food or anything else?
Everything means when I go to Hyderabad, even if I have work for 2 days, I make sure that I stay for more 3 days. Somehow I love Hyderabad like anything. I love food of Hyderabad. I love biryani of Hyderabad. I love people there. The people of Hyderabad, I should be loud and say that. The kind of love they have means I should say even Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, everywhere. The kind of love I got from that zone is something amazing, and I'm so grateful to every one of you for loving me so very much. And everything I love about Hyderabad, I love the climate, I love food, I love people, and means I make sure that very often I keep traveling to Hyderabad.
So, when was the last time you visited Hyderabad?
Just before lockdown, I
Yes.
went there because there was Times Food Awards where I
Okay.
have been, yeah, invited. So I was there for 2 days, then I came back. And after that, only it was in pay. Yeah, from March end onwards, all this started. Even I was not keeping well that time. So I met a doctor. He still calls me and asks me that, are you fine? If you feel unwell, do let me know. So see, the people are so nice, and I'm so happy about it.
Nice. Okay, and okay. Hello, hi. What is your opinion about Ram Charan's page? Mr. RC is asking, what is your opinion on Ram Charan page?
Ram Charan,
Yeah,
he's so good looking. He's so macho, and like any girl will fall in love seeing him.
nice. Okay, then coming back. So let's play a small round. I have or I have never.
Okay.
So, have you ever walked out of a theater?
Yes, I have.
Oh, which movie was it?
Oh, I wouldn't do that.
Okay, cool. Have you ever stolen money from your parents?
Yeah, I think so. Yeah. Once, yeah.
At school?
In school?
During school days or when? When was it?
No. I went abroad. I went to Paris, and that time I keep. I was carrying a small bag so that it's easy to move around.
Yeah.
And after I had a coffee. I came out, and after that I noticed that my money was the dollars. I mean, the euros were not there in my bag.
Oh.
So okay, it was not very much, but thankfully I didn't put much money there.
Oh.
So I lost it like.
Oh. Yeah. Have you ever forgotten your lines while shooting?
So many times.
So many times. And have you ever bunked college and got caught?
Yeah, I did that.
You did?
Got, I have.
Oh, and have you ever tried sneaking into your friend's mobile?
No, only my boyfriend's mobile.
Okay. And have you ever prank called anyone?
Me? Yeah, my ex.
You did? So what is your stress buster? Because you have shootings and hectic schedule, right? So how do you manage your health and stress?
When I feel overstressed or something, I try to talk to people. Like I call my home and I talk to my sister. I see bouncer. Then what I do is I do Q&A. Ask me whatever you ask to my fans. That is the best thing I do, and I really enjoy that. So I talk to my fans. Do this question answer on Twitter, on even I come on live and talk to my fans. That again gives me that much energy, and like say, come on, Pali, you have to work because of them, because they love you so much, and you
Yeah.
have like you have the responsibility to entertain them. That's you are born for, so we have to do that. So that kind of energy, positive vibes I get from my fans. So that is the one of the very major factor which was my stress.
Nice. That's really very cute and sweet to hear. And do you have any philosophy? Like, do you follow any philosophy in your life?
Only be happy and don't care what people are thinking. Do
Yeah.
what you feel like, say what your heart says. That will keep you more happy and healthy than like being like if anybody asks you to live your life in the certain way which you don't want, means you're not living the life the way you want. So
Yeah.
better be good or bad or right or wrong, but live your life the way you want. So,
Yes.
and then we are humans, we have the brain, we know what is right, what is wrong.
Yeah. True. Nice. So, and yeah, in this pandemic, since many things are happening around, people are staying at their house, not going out, no partying, no meeting friends. So, there are a lot of things going on, right? So, what do you suggest these people to gain strength or whatever it is? So, like mixed
So
feelings, having many, right? So, yeah.
I should say, I would love to say that please we have to follow the rules because we don't have the vaccines, and if we don't follow the precautions being asked by the government or by the heads, I mean, if we don't do, then the cases will go up and we are going to suffer. So we cannot take the
Yeah.
chance. We have to do whatever is required. I would say that don't venture out unnecessarily if it is not very important. Try to be at home, and but now after doing that, okay, I know how bad it feels sometimes to be locked at home and doing nothing. So that time what you have to feel positive. You watch good movies, listen to music, talk to me. I'm there for you. But be happy and feel that, see, wait, again the work will start and you'll be very busy with your life.
Yeah.
We won't get that much time to spend with your family. Again, we'll be running behind our
Busy
necessities,
schedule.
money, so many things we have, so many. So somehow we got some time to be with family and to get some relaxation. So do that now. Then gather all the energies,
Yeah.
and then again the time will come for work. Then put all this and do much better than what you were doing before, because you have got a long vacation.
Yeah. Yeah. Making our time for ourselves.
Yes.
Okay. So, if given chance, what would you like to change in our education system?
Change. I would change that there shouldn't be any classes till fourth standard.
Mm-hmm.
They should be like kids should learn from playing, because I can relate that till fourth I literally didn't understand what I'm doing actually.
Yeah. True.
And after this I myself changed, means nobody came and said like change, you have to study and all. I myself changed. I started understanding the importance of education. So it will happen with time. Before that, those ages, like till fourth standard, I feel that people should play and learn
Yeah.
instead of learning. So
Yes.
they will learn more and they will enjoy that. See, I enjoy my job, so I'm into film. I'm
Yeah.
living my life the way I want because I'm doing that because this is the thing which makes me happy. So I'm doing
Yeah.
something which makes me happy. बच्चे को, their kids, they don't know. They think that they are compelled to study. They don't understand the importance of education at those ages. So they have to you have to make them understand through a way that they will love. So
Yeah.
they will automatically learn more than what you can expect from them. So I think
Yes.
that's it.
Really nice, really nice. So that they can get to know what they're interested in, like playing
Yes,
or
then
painting,
automatically
art.
will enjoy that. It's not
Yeah.
like you have to study because you have to go to school. It shouldn't be like that.
Yes.
They should get up and say, Mama, Papa, I want to go to school. That should be the thing, because they will enjoy. As a teachers will come with rulers and you didn't do your homework, bachche ko maar rahe. This is not fair. They don't know
Yeah.
their bacha, what they know. You
Yeah.
should
Yeah.
pamper them, you should love them. They will be more of a better person when they will grow up. Only love can change you, nothing else.
Yes. Yes. Nice. And yeah, would you like to tell our viewers anything about the mental health or whatever is going on around us?
Yeah, so I will say from 2015 I was going through panic attacks. I
Okay.
used to get lots of panic attacks. Like when I used to go out, I used to go for gymming and all, and I used to feel that I'm gonna die. My heartbeat used to go up, and I used to feel very unwell. So I was scared to go out of home. So then
Okay.
doctor said it's a form of depression, but it isn't in a different form.
Okay.
So fear of death, that I'm gonna die. If anybody says like somebody has died doing gymming,
Oh.
I used to get scared that I will also, same will happen with me. So like this kind of torture was what I was facing. So I was on medication and all. Then after that, again, I went to another psychiatrist, and she told me that these are the things which will happen in winter, in monsoon. You will get those, and that is okay. You have to live with it, like we get cough and cold. So it's okay.
Yeah.
You don't have to be tense about it. Just take the medicine. As soon as you start feeling good, then leave the medicine. And that's how she has treated me, and I feel really better now and feel really good. And depression is another thing that I would like to say is like, if you feel that you have this kind of symptoms, apart from panic attack, like if you're feeling low, sad, you are feeling like you are left over, you are all alone, nobody is there to love you. So these are the things that may come, these are the spontaneous thought that comes on your mind, even though it is not the truth.
Yes.
So that is the consequence of the disease.
Yeah.
So that time, you have to be with the people who love you and who make you feel that you are the best in the world. That will only boost your, thoughts, boost your energy, will make you feel happy, good. No, I'm not. Though even it is always not only work, money or something. There are so many insecurities we go through in
Yeah.
spite of, even if it is not work or anything else. So so that is the thing, like you need people of your own who will actually make you feel that what you're feeling is wrong, and
Yes.
you must think in a positive way, and you are the best. Whenever I get if any kind of low or sadness feeling I just tell myself, I just stand in front of the mirror and tell myself, you're the best. Then why you are worried? I mean, like, what
True.
is making you feel so bad? Nothing can be better than that. Like, okay, then or else I'll listen the song of Shah Rukh Khan. I'm the best. That's what all I do, and I really love myself. So like that is also very important. People should love themselves. So to my fans, what I would like to say is like, even if you go through any such kind of traumas or any such kind of low feeling or something, see, the only solution is to make yourself happy. Don't
Yes.
even think of something wrong. And I will please, मतलब हाथ जोड़ के बोलती हूँ कि please don't ever think anything negative. Anything can be overcome. आज
Yeah.
नहीं, कल हो जाएगा. It's not a big deal at all. ठीक है. Everybody means even many big people go through many up and down, everything, good and bad. So if we all go through, that is life. That is fine. You don't have to worry for two moments. You don't have to do anything wrong to yourself for today. You can have much better tomorrow. So think
Yes.
about that and move on. So I will, because the things around what is happening is very, very scary and very even what Sushant did was something very.
Yes.
We are all broken actually.
Yes.
And we are very hurt because I know Sushant very personally very well. He used to live in my building. We used to go
Okay.
into the same gym. we were being a very good friend. So you know, like now I feel so bad. First 2 3 days, I couldn't even feel like talking. It was like that to us. I know, like we gone through that kind of means even I was feeling so depressed and I was so scared that I won't do anything as such now. Means I was questioning myself.
Okay.
That how could you do that? Am I going to do the same thing? I mean, like that kind of scared. I was afraid of it. At that time, I was there. That kind of thoughts, negative thought was coming. But then I literally slowly released it, and then I started talking to my fans and tried to divert my mind from there. Or else I would have been into that only. I would have felt sad all the time, and all these negative thoughts would have come. So you know, so I tried to get out of it, and you know, like then I told myself I have to live my own life and I have to move on.
Yes.
So you know, like so my request it won't mean just I don't want to use that word, but I would want to say like those any negative thing is not the
Decision.
solution.
Yeah.
We have to fight. We have to be positive. We have to be happy. No matter whatever the situation, we'll overcome. If not today, tomorrow.
Yes. Thank you so much, Payal, for an amazing message and for this interview. Thank you so much. So yeah, one word about this interview.
I love talking to you. You are such a sweet girl, and yeah, I had a great fun. So we'll do it again soon.
Yeah, definitely. Thank you so much for all your amazing messages and everything. We'll be waiting for you to come back to Tollywood again very soon.
Yeah, very soon. Because I love Tollywood. I think like without Tollywood, it's very difficult for me to even like have some good life. So I'll be back soon. I promise.
We'll be waiting. Thank you so much. Have a nice Sunday.
You too. You too. Have a great fun.
Thank
and
you.
Happy Sunday to all my fans and followers. I love you all. Bye, darling.
So yes, that's it for today. Don't forget to follow Filmy Ball and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much. Bye, everyone.